In this training video, we'll explore how to manage seasons within the InField system. To begin setting up a fresh season for your crops, simply click on Seasons and Add Season. A form prompt will appear, where the user can enter the season name, like 2024 to 2025 grapes, and choose the start and end dates by using the easy-to-navigate calendar view. If users want to carry over data from a previous season, check the box to enable this feature. You'll then be prompted to select the season you'd like to copy from. All relevant data, except for harvest dates, will be seamlessly copied into your new season. Once you're done, click Save to finalize your new season setup. The newly added season will now be available in the Seasons drop-down menu, and records can be linked to their specific season. Users can easily switch between seasons when recording data, ensuring that all details are accurately linked to the appropriate season. Navigate to the Help Center articles for further assistance.